you have to right click here and create a transformation in DTP and load this. Okay, so similar, this is a transactional data. Similar, you can go for, okay, master data, text data, yeah, text data, whatever you want. Okay, that it would be possible, similar kind of. So I would explain the flow, one flow or two flow, like in the master data. Similar, if you have a, okay, so you can have it. Okay, you can further load it. Okay, so this is the basically how we are going to load the data, delta data or full data, init data. So in this we have already init, okay, is there. That's why pulling the delta data directly from ECC. Whenever user is going to, even you can create a process chain, okay, automatically. Let's see, I'll show you this one also, how can create process in similar way. Okay, let's do here, right, rs, RSA. I'll show you how to check the data in the via process chain. Similar, you have to add it here, only DTP. Okay. So you have to come into the process chain area. Under this, here, right click here, I'm creating one process chain. Okay. PC, PC, ODP, ODP, ODP. Okay, I'm creating one like a transactions ODP data. Okay, already saying already is there. Okay. Data I'm checking. Yeah, it is create one Z process variant. Yeah, created. Come back here. So what you need to do here, just you go for the DTP only, no need to data source and all. Okay, DTP only. So this is the delta. Okay, I am going to delta, no full, because already full triggered. So in the real time, you will have only DTP. Okay, in the including the process chains. Okay, see here I am going to maintain and create message and all. Okay, let's see, drag drop here. Select your DTP from here. Execute it. Select here, find it. See, automatically activations would be there here. Right, 2 is there, to DTP. Okay, similar, I guess already is there. That's why it can just right click here and remove. See, automatically added here. DTP, okay, activations, no need to go. Earlier I told you how, okay, but here it automatically came. Why? Because already some, okay, is created. See here, it is, okay. So now you can check it first. Yes, everything is fine. So what happened? Let's check some error, some condition violations. These are like a training system, right? So that's when some error will come, but yeah. The real time you will not have much error. If it is has any error, immediately you can mail to the system. They will look into that. Okay, so let's, okay, some issues are there. Okay, so let's again, I'm going to DTP here. DTP. Is asking already in order. It is. Okay, now. So here one more step you have to add, that is active. Steps. Okay, go here, select your DTP. I mean your DSO or DSO. username is this. Select here, find out here. Yeah. 2-1 is there. Someone or other one is created. So I will go for this one. Okay, check once. Yeah, it is fine. Now you have to activate it. Yes, it is. Okay, you can check the variant. Okay, if it is scheduled or not. Okay, so it is not, right? So this is a delta. So if you run this data, okay, so what will happen? Okay, data will not pull. I mean, the data will pull 0. Okay, if you do some like a changes on the real time, let's see, I'll show you. Okay, so this is the DTP, I mean chain. Okay, so I'm going into as an end user. Okay, as the end user, I'm going into here. Okay, I'm going to do some changes on the particular VA03. Okay, at the end user, okay, I'm going to change. So how it is reflecting, I would like to show you. So I'm 4991. Okay, I'll show you another documents. Okay, I'm going to change something, another document. So, second doc system. VA03. Okay, so this is for sales document. Okay, so every document, these are the all functional consultant. Okay, they are taken care of this. Okay, so they will basically work on that, how it is, it changes and user is aware. Let's see here. I'm going to 4991 documents. I'm going to change. Okay, go to header. This is the header. Okay, I'm going to change here something like 110. Okay, 1010 sales office and 110, that is a okay sales group. Okay, save it. Okay, save it, this one. Okay, now I am going to trigger this chain. So in the real time, it is you, but some error is there. Okay, incorrect date saying 5. Let's go here and check. Oh, you haven't select any, like what kind of, this one you will follow. Let's save it again. Save it, come back, just activate this. Yeah, let's activate. Yeah, activate it, and now you have to trigger it here. Yes, trigger it. Okay, now see, started. Okay, so whatever you did some changes, okay, it is going to pull here. Okay, so if you manually, you can check it here, right click and go to target. You can see the data is loaded, is happening. See, 2 records is loaded, one is going to whatever you have changes. This is a delta load, this is a real time load. How basically happening in the, see, you have to process chain monitoring, you have to do in the real time, how data you will see. Now going to activate, no manually do it. So every day you can schedule it, whatever the changes happening in the ECC side. Okay, all will come daily load. Okay, so this is the way we are going to extract the data. See, if you check it here, okay, you can right click here, you go to target, you go to source. Okay, you can see source, if you click here, it will come here, data source. See here, so this is the data source would be here. Okay, if you go target, you will see here target directly. See, this is the target. You can see still is loading. Okay, parallelly, if you want to go here in ECC side, you can see here refresh mode. See, I have triggered this one, this request. Okay, if you double click, you can see here document number. Okay, which one is your document number? So latest, you can just back and again come. So sometimes you will, okay, now this is, we have it. Yeah, this one, I guess. No, this is not the document number, I guess this one. No, this is not one. Might be some other one. Yeah, this one. See, I have earlier 130, I have did 110. See here, this is the 4991 documents. Okay, so even you can check here. See, it is done. Okay, you can check it here. Table, active table. Go here and check 499. What is the document number? That is a 4991. You can check. One record is there. You can here check. So you can reconcile the data. See, it is there. So this is the way. I mean, you can do it using. Okay, it is done. You can see it is replaced. So you can. Okay, so similar you can every morning. Okay, whenever the business requirement, you can use this the processing to extract the data. Okay, automate this. So this is the concept of basically ODP. Okay,